Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Get ready because something exciting is coming your way. On June 11th, the Vivo S20 Pro will make its global debut, but with a fresh new name, the Vivo T4 Ultra. In this video, we're diving deep into everything that makes this phone stand out, from its gorgeous 1.5K eye-friendly display and powerhouse performance to its game-changing camera features and lightning-fast charging. Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss how this device blends style, speed, and smart tech to deliver an unbeatable experience. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's jump right in. It comes in 3 captivating colors: pine smoke, purple air, both inspired by the East, and the eye-catching Phoenix Feather Gold, which I'm holding right now. The Phoenix Feather Gold isn't just a color, it's a masterpiece. Using advanced photolithography and embroidery techniques, the back panel creates a mesmerizing texture that mimics the delicate beauty of a phoenix feather. Watch as light and shadow dance across the surface, making the static pattern come alive with movement. The phoenix is a timeless symbol of hope and renewal, and this colorway captures that spirit perfectly. Truly, a design that's as meaningful as it is beautiful. Let's talk about the display first. The Vivo S20 Pro features a life-size, gently curved screen that feels just right. This subtle curve isn't just for show, it's the perfect balance between style and usability. The slightly rounded edges make the phone comfortable to hold and super smooth for gestures, without distorting any content on the screen. Whether the display is on or off, that elegant curve adds a premium, luxurious vibe, something you usually see only in flagship phones. Speaking of fit, this phone is designed to nestle perfectly in your palm. The curved screen, the softly rounded back edges, and the gently contoured middle frame all blend seamlessly together, giving you a natural, comfortable grip every time you hold it. Now let's dive into the camera setup, because the Vivo T4 Ultra really shines here. It's equipped with a powerful Sony IMX921 main sensor and a JN1 ultra-wide camera. But the real star is the triple-lens periscope telephoto, an incredible feature at this price point. Plus, it supports macro shots for close-up details. The 3x telephoto lens uses an 85mm focal length, which is the sweet spot for stunning portraits. It creates a beautiful depth effect with natural bokeh, thanks to Vivo's advanced portrait algorithms that perfectly recognize edges and backgrounds. One click and you get those professional-looking photos that make your subjects pop.
There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it, and I know.
For music lovers and concert goers, the optimized 10x zoom lets you capture stage moments from afar with great clarity. The 50-megapixel front camera is no less impressive. It's perfect for group selfies and close-ups, enhanced with solid, soft lighting and smart algorithms to bring out texture and detail day or night. Personally, I love shooting in this season's rich autumn tones, perfect for creating cinematic photos that feel warm and inviting. Pair that with the auto pickup dopamine photo frames and you get a truly harmonious photo experience. And here's a fun fact. In China, the Vivo S20 Pro starts at 33.99 yuan. But globally, it launches as the Vivo T4 Ultra. What do you think the price should be in the global market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's talk about the camera software on the Vivo S20 Pro. It's designed to help you capture stunning, film-like photos right from your phone. Nowadays, achieving that popular film vibe usually comes down to 3 ways. First, shooting on actual film, whether with a classic film camera or a vintage Polaroid. Nothing beats that authentic texture. Second, using premium mirrorless cameras that come with built-in film simulation modes. These cameras deliver amazing results, but often come with a hefty price tag, sometimes costing tens of thousands. And third, the game changer, using advanced mobile phone software like what Vivo offers. This lets you create cinematic, film-style shots effortlessly without the need for expensive gear or complicated setups. With the Vivo S20 Pro, you get that cinematic magic right in your pocket. The Vivo S20 Pro's camera UI is fully customized for a seamless, immersive experience that instantly brings your shots to life. From the moment you snap a picture, you get an engaging animation showing your finished photo, making every click feel special. What's really cool? Before you even take the shot, you can choose your film style by selecting different shadow tones and photo papers. Each paper offers rich, adjustable options, creating endless creative possibilities. Imagine dozens, even hundreds of unique combinations, all just a simple swipe away in the native camera app. No need to jump into another app or pay for memberships like some third-party software demands. And the results? Truly film-like photos that capture the authentic vibe. Want a physical print? The S20 Pro easily connects to compatible photo printers so you can bring your memories to life on paper. This filmmaking feature is more than just a filter. It's a ritual, a way to reconnect with the art of photography. Vivo clearly gets what young creators want and delivers it beautifully. But the fun doesn't stop there. Dynamic photos get an upgrade too. You can add exclusive dynamic photo frames, including one designed just for the Phoenix Feather Gold colorway. Plus, these moving photos keep their effects when shared across platforms. Send your Vivo dynamic shots to an iPhone, and they keep their live effect just like Apple's live photos. And vice versa. This kind of top-tier cross-device magic is something you usually find only in premium flagship phones. Now it's all in the Vivo S20 Pro. Worried about performance compromises? Don't be. The Vivo T4 Ultra packs a serious punch. Powered by the impressive Blue Whale Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, this phone delivers powerhouse performance that's already well known and respected. In fact, it stands toe-to-toe with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and even outperforms it in some scenarios. Take gaming, for example. Glory of Kings runs smoothly at full frame rate from start to finish without a hitch. And if you're into heavier titles like Genshin Impact, the T4 Ultra still handles them effortlessly, delivering a fantastic experience. Thanks to Vivo's expert tuning of the Dimensity chip, you can be confident that performance won't just meet expectations, it'll exceed them. So whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, the T4 Ultra has got you covered. Let's talk about the system. Origin OS takes AI-powered features to a whole new level. One of my favorite tools is AI elimination. It's insanely good. Even better than what you'd find on many top flagship phones from other brands. Thanks to powerful AIGC technology, you don't need to be a Photoshop pro to remove unwanted elements from your photos. The results? Simply stunning. Another game changer is the Atom Guide's super drag and drop function. Imagine this. You get an address and want to check it on the map. Normally that means opening apps and copying info step by step. But with Origin OS 5, just long press the address and drag it to the top of your screen. The system instantly pulls up your map app for you. You can do the same with pictures, making multitasking smoother than ever. And if you're deep into the Apple ecosystem, Origin OS's integration with Mac is absolutely top tier. Using the Vivo Office Suite on your Mac, you can seamlessly transfer files back and forth, control your phone's screen projection, even reverse control your phone, plus cloud sync for notes, photos, and more. It feels just like native Apple apps, blending almost effortlessly into the ecosystem. So if you're an Apple family user thinking about switching to Android, Vivo should be your first choice. One thing to note, in the global market, the Vivo T4 Ultra will come with FunTouch OS instead of Origin OS. But either way, you're in for a smooth and smart user experience. The Vivo T4 Ultra features a stunning 1.5K BOEQ10 display that's designed to be easy on your eyes, delivering sharp, vibrant visuals with built-in eye protection. With an ultra-high 3840Hz PWM dimming, it reduces flicker to keep your eyes comfortable during long usage. On top of that, the phone offers a range of smart software eye protection features, making every viewing experience gentle and strain-free. Powering all this is a massive 5,500 mAh battery, paired with blazing fast 90-watt charging, so you're never stuck waiting long to get back to full power. According to the latest leaks, the Vivo T4 Ultra is expected to launch in India at around 35,000. Converted internationally, that's approximately £303 in the UK and around $408 in the USA. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll Catch you in the next one.